A black day in the modern human civilization. A respiratory disorder was found in China, turned into a pandemic. The coronavirus outbreak took place. Severe lockdowns were imposed. People were forced to stay in homes to avoid the spreading of COVID 19. The whole of the nation was under lockdown. मानो जिंदगी थम सी गई हो, पहिए रुक से गए हो. A panic situation arised. The global economy was under question mark. It shattered. दुनिया की अर्थव्यवस्था तितर बितर हो गई. No sector was left impacted. Tourism industry was badly hit and the hospitality industry was down struggling. Tech industry, manufacturing sector was also affected. Global workforce lost almost $3.4 trillion. Business and industry was suffering heavily. क्या सब कुछ खत्म हुआ? क्या ये दुनिया का अंत है? नहीं, परिवर्तन संसार का नियम है. परिवर्तन संसार का नित्यत्व है. इस भयंकर आपदा से निपटने के लिए एक बदलाव लाना पड़ेगा. A change in perception is a must. मातृभूमि के आत्मसम्मान के लिए आत्मनिर्भर बनना पड़ेगा. यह एक ऐसा महासंग्राम है जहां महायोद्धाओं की जरूरत है. हमारे युवा योद्धा तैयार है हर आंधी तूफान को मिटाने के लिए. तारीख गवाह है, जब युवा आगे बढ़ा है एक नई क्रांति लाया है. भारत का आर्थिक इतिहास लिखने है तैयार हमारे योद्धा.
Hi guys, it's Madhuri here. Let's join hands together for the mission Vocal for Local. Purchase domestic product and say no to foreign products. Be Indian, buy Indian. Jai Hind.
Hi guys, I'm Komal Corbett. Dear friends, I have a question for you. India is quite capable of manufacturing various products. Why we should import such products as it impacts on our Indian forex? So, to take our Indian economy to the greater height, be Indian, buy Indian. Thank you.
Let's take a step towards constructing a self-reliant India. Build your dream house strong and India stronger by supporting Indian cement brands. One of the major cement manufacturers of India, Ultratech Cement Limited, owned by Aditya Birla Group, has donated 500 CR in PM CARES Fund in this COVID-19 pandemic. Now it's our turn to support these Indian brands. So be vocal to buy local because true Indian buys Indian. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
कोरोना महामारी एक ऐसी महामारी है जिसने न कि दुनिया भर में मासूमों की जान ली बल्कि दुनिया भर के राष्ट्रों की अर्थव्यवस्था की कमर भी बुरी तरह तोड़ दी है. हमारा भारत भी इसे अछूता नहीं है. इस नाजुक समय में हम सभी भारतीयों का ये फर्ज बनता है कि हम विदेशी सामान न खरीदकर जितना हो सके स्वदेशी सामान खरीदें और भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था को मजबूत करने में अपना योगदान दें. स्वदेशी सामान खरीदते वक्त धर्म, जाति, रंग रूप को बीच में न लाकर एक मजबूत भारत की नींव रखें. पावरिंग द नेशन फॉर द नेशन. जय हिंद. बी इंडियन, बाय इंडियन. थैंक यू.
बनो स्वदेशी, यूज़ करो इंडियन प्रोडक्ट्स. बी इंडियन, बाय इंडियन. जय हिंद.
Namaste India, hope everyone are fine and safe in their home and doing well and utilizing this quarantine time for a right purpose in a right manner. We are quite lucky people that we have got a chance to do something to the nation just by staying in home and buying the products which are local. Buying the products which are local not only helps our farmers, laborers, but it also helps the country to grow economically more stronger. So let's join hands together and contribute something to the nation by buying the local products.
Namaskar. Now all the world facing some problems because of the COVID-19 and our India is also facing some problems because of the COVID-19 and economy is one of that. To bring our economy again on the track, we should buy the Indian local products so that can be helpful for our government to bring our economy again on the track. So to make our India pride and number one in the world, support Indian, sustain India.
Here is the reason why I choose to drink tea. Being Bharat ka apna biscuit, Parle-G has joined their hands with the government to give 3 crore packets of Parle-G to the people in need in this situation of COVID-19 pandemic. local brands of India have always stood with the nation in the times of need. So we should feel proud to use local brands, local products, as they are helping our nation to come back stronger economically and in many other ways. So, chin up guys, think globally, shop locally. Be Indian, buy Indian. Jai Hind.
टिकटॉक वापरून चायनाला करोडोंचा फायदा करण्यापेक्षा मेट्रोन वापरून भारताला करोडोंचा फायदा करा. ह्या चायनीज प्रोडक्ट्सना लात मारण्याची हीच ती वेळ. बी इंडियन, बाय इंडियन.
Hello everyone, myself Tejasvi Patil. I am from Gadinglaz. I am studying in Annapurna Institute of Management Research, Sankeshwar. Before few days, our Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi told about the Atmanirbhar and all. So I really appreciate, and we have to think about that. We all can make our country as a independent by getting employment opportunities and making a small scale industry. So make a use of Indian goods and support the large scale and small scale industries.
Hello everyone, it's Mohammad Ghaus. Nowadays we are facing lots of problems in our country because of COVID-19. It is our responsibility to buy Indian products and grow our economy and tell other people to also buy Indian products. Be Indian, buy Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Let us take a step towards the building of self-reliant India by supporting traditional rich Indian crafts truly made in India. This is the great way to show the world India is a rich variety of products and innumerable craft. We should buy a product which will made by local craftsmen, artists, which will not help them to sustain but also rise up the economy of India. Be local, shop local. Be Indian, buy Indian. Jai Hind.
Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Sajid. To grow the Indian economy, help Indian manufacturer. So buy products which manufactured in India. Let us all unite and fight for new India. Be Indian, buy Indian. Jai Hind.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಅನುಶ್ರೀ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಭಾರತದವರು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಅದೇನಂತೀರಾ, ವಿದೇಶಿ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವದೇಶಿ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಭಾರತದವರಾಗಿರಿ, ಭಾರತೀಯರಾಗಿರಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿ, ಸೇಫಾಗಿರಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತೆ. नमस्कार.
पवार न घेता आपल्या भारतातील स्वदेशी वस्तू, भारतात तयार झालेल्या स्वदेशी वस्तू खरेदी करून आपल्या भारताची अर्थव्यवस्था खूप मजबूत बनायची. ज्याप्रमाणे आपण प्रत्येक वेळेला कोणतीही वस्तू खरेदी करायला जातो त्यावेळेला मॅन्युफॅक्चर डेट आणि एक्सपायरी डेट बघतो, त्याप्रमाणे यापुढे देखील मॅन्युफॅक्चर डेट, एक्सपायरी डेट आणि त्याचप्रमाणे मेड इन इंडिया हे देखील टॅग बघू आणि आपल्या भारतातील स्वदेशी वस्तू खरेदी करून आपल्या भारताची अर्थव्यवस्था खूप मजबूत बनवू आणि आपला भारत एक आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनवू. बी इंडियन, बाय इंडियन. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Hello everyone. When India is quite capable of producing all the products, why we need to import from other countries? Use Swadeshi products to grow India economically. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone. Let's pledge to promote and support Indian made products and help the nation to grow again. Buy Indian made hand-free sanitizer dispenser. Be local, buy local. Be Indian, buy Indian.
Hello everyone, this is Sri Kadapure from AIMR College, Sankeshwar. There is a big crisis in our country right now, and this crisis is the coronavirus. This crisis has slowed the economy of the country. So this economy want to fight with the crisis by buy the Swadeshi goods. If we buy the Swadeshi goods, it will help to boost the economy of the country. So be Indian, buy India. Jai.
Hope all are you safe in your home. Today's situation is very critical. Our country is suffering from COVID-19. Impact of COVID-19 on Indian economy. Indian economy is diminishing day by day, and our responsibility to contribute our Indian economy. It's my request to all of you, please stop using different countries' product. Mainly avoid using Chinese product and start using our Indian products. It will help to grow our Indian economy. Hope you agree. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello guys, I hope all of you are safe in your home. Guys, today's scenario, our country is suffering from COVID-19, and because of COVID-19 our Indian economy is so weak, so it's our responsibility to make it stronger. So I am requesting to all of you, please avoid Chinese products and use Indian products to boost our economy. And my humble request to all of you, please buy local products rather than the global products, because of we Indians buy India.
ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಎಂಬ ಮಹಾಮಾರಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತತ್ತರಿಸಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಮೊದಲು ತೊಂದರೆ ಅನುಭವಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಮರ್ಥನನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಲು ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಬೇಕಾದ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಒಳಗಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡುವ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಭಾರತ